Okay, everybody. It is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. A little bit early for dinner, but I just want to get it started and kind of get it out the way. Big Daddy will not be able to eat this, but it's what the kids and I are having. It's easy. Uh-oh. Say it's what we're having for dinner. Camille, go outside in the freezer and see if I have another bag of rice. Yeah. Because I don't think I have 2 cups in here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, stubby. Definitely not 2 cups, but it is 1. Uh-oh. Let's pray she has that. But if not, we'll borrow a cup of rice from the neighbor or something. Okay. So we're going to start with, we're going to do kind of like a pork chop casserole. We're going to start with 2 cans cream of celery. Please, do I have rice? Shoot. Go next door to Tim's and see if we could borrow a cup. Just 1 cup, Camille. These are my gardening shears. What are they doing in there? Lord, how come I can't ever just... So I buy, and I went to Sam's this morning, I buy rice at Sam's, and it usually lasts me, and then I keep it in the freezer, so it usually lasts me about a year. I usually buy like 20 pounds, or whatever that big, huge bag is, at a time. So, guess it's that time of year to buy new rice. Okay, so we got 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup here. Now I've got my water kettle going back there. You don't have to do that. You could just use regular water. You could also use chicken broth. The reason why I'm not using chicken broth is because I only have those big containers. I didn't want to open one and not use it and it goes bad, so we're just going to use water. But you can use chicken broth if you would prefer. Alright, now this is 1 envelope of Lipton's onion soup. We're going to stir that in. This is an easy 1-dish dinner. I actually think I'm going to make some corn with it, but you don't have to. It comes out kind of like a rice and gravy. Now, alright, she went to go get me, hopefully she got a cup. So here's 1 cup of rice. We're going to get that stirred in there. We got to add another cup though. And we're going to add 2 cups of water. Now I'm adding hot water. You could just add tap water. I'm addicted to that thing. I use it all the time. I use it to mop my floors. So when I make my mop bucket, I use boiling water now. It works, man. Works good. Thank you. The dress is a couple years old.
to know if you need any more egg cartons. Because she says her sister has a bunch of egg cartons. She's just going to throw them away, so.
Yeah, if she has some, I'll take them.
No, I shouldn't have them, like, on her. But...
Yeah, that's fine. But wait, I think you can bring this back. I only needed a cup. Tell her I'm so sorry that I thought I had more. So bring this back to her. Tell her thank you so much. I only needed a cup. And tell her, yes, I would love some egg cartons. Tell her I save them because, you know, people use them and then don't bring them back. That's my neighbor, Miss Connie. Yesterday, Ethan was cutting the grass. And this is why I didn't go live yesterday. He, cut the cord to the internet. You know, I guess cord's not the right word, but the line. So Tim, our neighbor, came over and helped me and Ethan fix it. Because, you know, Michael can't. And if we would have had to call the cable company out here, not only would it cost me money, but it also would have taken forever. Because, you know, shoot, it'll be 2 weeks before they can get their butt out here. All right, so now that that's all stirred together and mixed up really good, we're gonna add just a little bit of seasoning. You can season it to your taste, how you like. I'm gonna add a little bit of Tony's and just a little dash of garlic pepper. Not much. All right, now I've got pork chops over here. I like to rinse my pork chops off. I don't usually rinse my, sometimes I do, but I don't usually rinse my chicken, but I like to rinse my pork off because when they cut pork, the sawdust from the bones get on there, and that's it. I don't want that in my food. So I rinse it off. All right, and now we're just going to, that's not all, I have more pork chops, but that's all I can fit right there. So we're just gonna season these up. A little bit of Tony. That's fine, I'm not in any hurry. And these are big pork chops. We're just gonna try to crowd them all in here. Even if I have to kind of lay them on top of each, oh shoot, I forgot to season that one. Hold on. Flip it over here. Even if we have to kind of overlap them just a little. I want to get them all in here. Okay. Let's get these. Hey, turn that TV down. Who's in that living room, Michael?
Just me.
What happened?
Turn it on. I think the dog did.
Leave it to my little pooches. The old dogs do that. They get up on the couch.
Where'd you put the remote?
Maybe it was on the couch. Is Camille not right there no more?
No.
I'm about to ground them kids from their room.
I've been saying that.
Is that all? Oh, shoot, I got 2 more. We're going to get them in there. I can't really see comments. I don't have nobody reading them for me, so y'all, if I'm ignoring you, I'm sorry.
Hey, I come right and leave a lot here.
You didn't know it was live. Well, who you thought I was talking to? Myself?
Maybe I didn't hear you talking. That medicine kicked in out of the food.
All right. They're all in there now. Okay, let's get my hands dried up. Now, finishing touches. This goes in the garbage. This goes in the garbage. This goes in the sink. And that can go in the sink. This is kids. Alright, now, I'm just going to give it a light dust with the Tony's. Season it as much as you like. Now, last thing, we're going to take another pack of this onion soup mix and put it over the top. And then we're going to throw this in the oven for about an hour, hour and a half. Remove some of these and get that in there. All right, so we're going to cook it until at 350 until the pork chops are cooked through and the rice is completely done. Easy dinner. It's yummy. It's fast. And we're done. My oven has been preheating, so I'm just going to pop this in there. I'm going to set me a timer to check it in an hour. Actually, I think
Somebody said you added 2 cups of rice and only 2 cups of water. You would need 4 cups of water.
No, I put 2 cans of the soup mixtures in there. I used the cream of celery soup, so that's going to help a little bit too. I'm going to cover it with tin foil. But before it's done cooking for like the last 15 minutes, I'm going to take this off. So I'm going to check it in about an hour, and then when it's done, we're going to come back and show you guys what it looks like.
Jenny Cooper, I think it was, never heard of Tony.
So it's a staple in our house. I'll show it to you in just a second. I have a link on my Amazon. It's a Louisiana seasoning. If you order from Amazon, it's definitely more expensive than it is in the store, but I do have a link in our Amazon store. But if you can find it at your grocery store, which we get it at Walmart, it's significantly cheaper. But some of you are not going to be able to find it. Let me show it to you.
Krista said, I don't think you guys fixed that cable well enough. It's breaking up more than usual, big time.
Oh. I might have to get them out here. I find ever since we got that new router, it's not doing as good. This is what the Tony's looks like. It comes usually, this is like the big bottle, the restaurant, I think. But it comes usually in like a little round green container. We get it at Walmart, but I have a link on my Amazon store for it. It's just a Cajun seasoning. So There are other brands that I will use interchangeably. This one is my favorite. But they have one called Slap Your Mama. I don't know why they call it that. I don't love the name, but that's what it's called. But it's good. So we just use a local Cajun or Creole seasoning. Okay, so I'll be back in about another hour, hour and a half, and we'll show it to you and we'll taste it. Okay? All right, everybody, y'all have a great day, and if you don't get to come back, a happy Father's Day, and we'll see you all back.